From a local kurti seller in Jharkhand to Kisans in Haryana, Indiazona has already reached out to more than 1,000 Bharat ke entrepreneurs like never before.
Hello, I'm Bhavna Pagaria, the co-founder of Indiazona, an e-commerce marketplace dedicated to empower Indians and our businesses.
Indian MSMEs contribute nearly 30% to our GDP, yet over 60% of them struggle to transition into the digital economy due to high platform fees, ad cost, and a lack of technical know-how. Even our Union Commerce Minister, Shri Piyush Goyal, raised concerns about global e-commerce giants who favor those who can spend more on ads and not those who can create better. That's where Indiazona is different. Inspired by the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vocal for Local, we have created Bharat Ki Apni Dukaan, where businesses succeed based on merit. Indiazona has zero ad cost model, where sellers don't have to pay anything for expensive ads to get the visibility. Our proprietary merchant ranking algorithm takes care of it. MSME and women-centric approach. We provide easy onboarding, fair trade policies, and visibility to businesses that need it the most. Our campaign, Aapki Dukaan, Aapki Pehchan, is yet another initiative to bring women forward. And lastly, we provide holistic support where we take care of everything from seller onboarding to the doorstep delivery to customers to help every seller succeed. Whether it's a homemaker turning her craft into a brand, a local business expanding its reach, or a startup launching a D2C venture, we support sellers from all walks of life. Our goal is simple. We have to make online selling accessible, fair, and growth-driven for everyone. One such story is Hitika Kedia from Giridih, Jharkhand, who turned her passion into a growing business. From a small workshop at home, she creates customized clothing within just 2 hours, ensuring everyone finds a perfect fit. Earlier, reaching the right customers was a challenge, but with Indiazona, her creations now have the visibility they deserve, helping her grow beyond local boundaries. We started just 100 days ago from scratch, and we have come a long way. But this is just the beginning. As we expand, our goal remains simple: making online selling accessible and fair for every business, no matter how big or small. It is our aim to digitize millions of Indian businesses. To strengthen this vision, we are integrating with ONDC and collaborating with state governments, enabling sellers, locally made products, and traditional crafts to reach wider audiences without any extra cost. At the same time, we are working towards localized quick commerce for faster local deliveries, and we are also going for global shipping so that Indian businesses grow beyond borders. Indiazona is redefining online shopping with trends where customers can swipe and buy, featuring the latest styles and unique finds. Through our seamless mobile app, we are connecting customers directly with authentic Indian sellers, artisans, and entrepreneurs to ensure high quality, locally made products at fair prices. No hidden charges, no misleading discounts. Just a platform which offers smooth and engaging shopping experience with smart recommendations, helping customers discover and shop with confidence. With easy returns, flexible exchanges, and dedicated support, Indiazona offers a transparent and an innovative way to shop. Beyond all this is a bootstrap, debt-free company powered by a young team under the guidance of seasoned mentors, focused on creating a real impact. Indiazona is creating a space where every business, no matter how small, gets a fair chance to grow. Join us in making Indiazona the largest homegrown marketplace that truly represents the spirit of limitless India.